winding path through unsight woods it leads, where sunlight filters through the leafy reeds. The trees stand tall, their branches reaching high. Towards the heavens, where the bluebird fly. A gentle breeze through rustling leaves its sight. Carrying secret whispered through the skies. The forest floor a carpet soft and deep, where hidden creatures peacefully to sleep. The earth is still, a sense of calm and peace. A tranquil moment that will never kiss. A forest path, a journey to the soul. Where nature's beauty makes us strong and whole.